Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome to ASD App Store Domination, and today's episode, as all of the other episodes, are sponsored by our products. So go ahead and take a look at the tribe at Rebeloper.com/the tribe, and after that take a look at today's video, and that is we are going to change our bundle display name. So let's get to work. Now, what is this bundle display name? Well, the bundle display name is the name that is put under your app icon on users' devices. So let me just show you an example. Let's open up our simulator, and as you can see, ASD Magic is under our app icon here. Now, how to change this, because maybe you have a longer bundle identifier name. Maybe you just name this. Let's see, let's just clean this, and as you can see, it kind of said that it is our ASD Magic without a space. And if you can recall, in one of the earliest, one of the first videos, I have changed the display name because it didn't have any spaces. Maybe I just want to name it Magic, or maybe I just want to name it ASD. This is up to you. Maybe, well, it kind of needs to represent the title of your app, but you can change. Maybe you have a bundle identifier that is ASD Magic Testing, so you don't want to have that as a display name. So let's build and run and see how this Magic appears. Well, the display name appears as the Magic. So let's close that. Let's open up our simulator, and now you can see that Magic is displayed as our app name. Pretty good stuff. Now, one thing that you should be aware of, I would just change that back to ASD Magic because I like that better. One thing that you should be aware of is that what is a project name and what is a target name and what is a display name. Well, the target name is derived from the project name, of course, and this is our display name, and it is what it says. It is our display's name. Now, the project name, it can be anything. It doesn't need to be unique. So even if you, well, let's say purchase one of our source codes, you don't have to change it. Well, it's basically, it is advisable not to change your project name. But if you just wanted to, then just go select your project, and here just under the name, just select it. I will just not change it because, well, it is best practice and I don't need to change it at this moment. But here you go. Now you know how you can change the project's name, and of course you can change the target's name if you wish to, but I don't recommend it. What you really need to know is how to change the display name, and that is under your target, general, and display name. And of course you can select it in your info plist file under bundle display name too. You can change it here if you wish, but as a convenience we have it under our identity. Okay, that is it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to find out more about how to create a real sustainable app business, go ahead and take a look at the tribe and contact us. If you are an indie developer, we have huge discounts for indie developers and indie studios. So go ahead and take a look at the tribe at Rebeloper.com/the tribe, and as usual, I will see you in the next one. Good stuff. Now, if you want to see more of this video and want to boost your app business, go ahead and take a look at my 30 days challenge, App Store Domination. Go ahead and click the link down below, and I will see you inside ASD, App Store Domination. Let's get to work.